11 Indices of a highly perceptive person. Do you ever experience anxiety or exhilaration, a sense of right or wrong, or the need to take action without completely understanding the reason behind it? Do you have the impression that you just know things? These are indications that you might be intuitive. Furthermore, intuition may be immensely helpful in assessing situations and making decisions, despite the fact that some people dismiss it as wishful thinking or irrationality. In actuality, all of us have some degree of intuition, but not all of us. How can you tell if you've used your sixth sense, then? These 11 indicators point to the presence of a highly perceptive person staring back at you in the mirror. First, you're in harmony with your body. The ability to pay attention to one's body is a skill that intuitive people possess. Feeling out of tune with yourself is a surefire indicator that something is wrong or unbalanced. Before becoming sick, you might sense that something is off-kilter or feel queasy for no apparent reason. You are able to recognize when burnout is coming and make sure to give yourself enough time to recover. Your gut tells you to be less stressed, more active, and generally healthy. Second, you're a thoughtful individual. Do you enjoy reflecting on your own ideas and feelings and becoming lost in contemplation on a regular basis? This indicates that you are a very reflective person who enjoys spending time alone yourself with no outside distractions to divert your thoughts. Because of this, you regularly catch yourself thinking about possibilities or what might have happened if you had taken a different approach. Additionally, your intuition has evolved the ability to recognize patterns when others may not even be aware that there are any, which may allow you to detect connections between things that most people miss entirely. Number 3. You pay close attention to the needs, feelings, and thoughts of others. The fact that intuition is a multisensory skill is among its most significant characteristics. You will be able to see people in all their complexity, including their thoughts and feelings, the more intuitive you are. And to do this, you need to be able to correlate your observations with your inner experiences in addition to having strong observational skills. Thus, there's a considerable probability that your intuition is powerful if you can sense someone's emotions without them having to express them, or if you can sense what someone needs before they ask for it or even recognize what it is. Number 4. Your ideas and thoughts keep coming up. Your intuition is usually trying to tell you something when you have recurring thoughts or ideas. Even when you're not actively thinking about them, these thoughts may nonetheless cross your mind. For instance, you may be plagued with a persistent thought that won't go away until you take action. Perhaps it's an idea you have for a brand new venture or endeavor. Alternatively, it's possible that you consistently come across inspiring content whether you watch TV, read a book, listen to music, or even from unexpected sources like highway billboards. Number 5. You make an excellent character judgment. Both when someone is being sincere and when they are not, it is evident to you. This is due to your ability to sense people's intentions and energy with ease. When new individuals enter your life, you may feel excited about them, but occasionally your gut instinct may warn you that they are not who they seem to be. It can be rather helpful to be able to see through the small details that most people miss in order to avoid predators or unscrupulous persons. And once more, this is about feeling what people are thinking or feeling, not just reading body language or facial expressions. Number 6. You seek out coincidences frequently. The experience of two or more meaningfully connected but causally unrelated occurrences is known as synchronicity. For instance, you might be thinking of an old buddy when they suddenly give you a call. Or maybe you get a hunch to search a specific area for a misplaced item, and lo and behold, you find it. In case you frequently witness significant coincidences, it's probable that your intuition is more actively involved in your daily existence. Number 7. You frequently and clearly dream. Your subconscious mind, which is the source of your dreams, is intimately connected to your intuitive sense. Your strong intuition is evident if your dreams are frequently prophetic and contain significant insights or bits of knowledge. Sometimes you may have dreams that are so realistic that they appear real, and then later on in life, things in real life turn out precisely as they happened in your dream. Number 8. You experience abrupt flashes of understanding. You experience potent, aha, moments, or epiphanies, that strike you out of the blue when you stop, clear your head, and think about life. You realize that you can quickly solve an issue that has been bothering you for some time, or perhaps you see a fresh way ahead in a circumstance for which there was previously no apparent solution. All of a sudden, you just know what has to be done. Your intuition may have led you to these insights in order to help you with decisions, answers, and solutions. Number 9. You have the ability to predict when something will happen. Another indicator of strong intuition is the capacity to predict events before they happen. For instance, even when there's no prior indication of an accident, you can get a queasy sensation that someone you know is going to cheat on their partner or that there will be one while driving home from work. Usually, your intuition is right, and following events confirm this. It sounds like the cosmos is announcing things to you in advance, whispering in your ear. Number 10. Certain people or places draw you in. Although it's not always about foreseeing the future, intuition can be somewhat mysterious at times. Sometimes it's just noticing the small details, like how you find yourself pulled to particular individuals or locations. Your intuition is probably at play if you connect with someone right away or if you find yourself pulled to a location unlike any other. If you're not sure what you're looking for or where your intuition is taking you, this could be challenging. But there's no resisting the draw in that direction once you realize what that is. Number 11. People seek your advice. Do you listen well and are a source of inspiration for others? Do you have an innate sense of what to do in particular circumstances? If so, it's because you're naturally able to connect seemingly unconnected items and perceive the broader picture. It's normal for you to automatically come up with a solution without even trying when someone confides in you about their issue or predicament. People flock to you for guidance because they trust your judgment, and you are frequently referred to as wise beyond your years. Having intuition is a great gift. Like an internal compass, that is. It directs you away from potentially dangerous or destructive things and toward what is beneficial to your spirit. Furthermore, life gets easier the more attuned you are to this compass. Additionally, you have a higher chance of success since your intuition will point you in the correct path. Now, don't panic if you saw this video and you didn't identify these characteristics in yourself. As with all abilities, intuition may be trained. You might need to make some changes to your routine and focus on unwinding more frequently. You might also need to spend some time alone yourself or add more mindfulness exercises to your daily routine, such as consistent meditation. Above all, develop greater self-confidence and learn to trust your instincts. If you're still with us, watch this video we made about certain gut instincts you shouldn't discount. The link is located in the description that follows. Please like and share this video with your friends if you liked it so that we can continue to make more like it. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos just like this one. Don't forget to watch our other videos as well. Thank you for viewing.